Case Western Reserve University is using almost $10 million to create some cool technology.
So the grant comes from the U.S. Department of Defense. The goal here is to create a prosthetic that the user can actually use to feel. Almost sounds like some science fiction, but it's really coming reality here. Researchers at Case Western are working with the Cleveland VA Medical Center to test the technology. So basically, the neuroprosthesis activates the nerves near the missing limb so that can make the patient feel their hand like something that has nerves. But when the patient moves their hand, picks up something, or touches something, sensors activate, sending a signal like a nerve does to the brain. A device in the brain reads the signal through Bluetooth, almost like how our brains read a sense of touch from our nerves. One researcher on the project says this kind of advancement is critical for those who have lost limbs because it can improve so many small parts of life.
When they go to grab something, they don't know how hard they're grabbing it. A lot of people actually report that they don't want to use their prosthesis in social kind of interactions because they're worried about, maybe grasping someone too tightly or something like that. And so by providing the sensory feedback, we think that we are allowing people to regain function and also regain social and emotional connection with other people.
And with this grant, researchers are preparing to start the clinical trial phase of testing, with patients being enrolled next year.